Hey, good morning you guys, and welcome back to another vlog. We're here at Ikea. Today's Friday, July 2nd, and we are here. Me and Delina is here to getting ready to head out to her doctor's appointment. She has a doctor's appointment today. I don't think she getting any shots today. I just think she getting a checkup. But I'm feeling a little under the weather today. My sinus is acting up, and like could have started feeling like I'm getting a little sore throat, so I don't feel too good today. So I can just come back home and rest when I'm done with her. So we're gonna head to the doctor's office. Then I'm gonna go Panera and get some soup and a sandwich. Panera's so expensive though, but that's what I need and that's what I want. A soup and some sandwich from there, just to drink hot liquids so my throat will feel a little better. So that's what's going on right now. I just boiling some water for her to put in her thermos. So we go head out. Her appointment's for 11:20. I think it's like 10:30 now. And it's not too far from where we live, so I have time. So yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna be going to do my nails and get a pedicure. And then Sunday, I don't know what's up. I'll find something to get into. David off Sunday, 4th of July, and we off Monday for the 4th of July holidays. So yeah, this weekend, this might be a short vlog. Not much going on, but yeah. Plus I gotta go get my Target pickup. Y'all know I do my weekly Target pickup. So catch up with you guys when we hit the road. So here's what I'm wearing today. I had this dress for a couple years. I just wanted to feel comfortable, so it's a stretchy dress. I had got it from a store up in Orlando, like by Magic Mall. So I had a store that was a lot of laundress. I wonder if they're still there. She had a lot of nice dresses. So this is how the bump is looking. I'm 31 weeks. I'll be 32 weeks tomorrow. So baby boy, he is getting there. I feel like my belly dropped, like kinda. I can't believe I'm gonna be 32 weeks tomorrow. That's crazy. And nervous, but still excited to meet my little son, you know, and just drop this weight. Like, oh my god, I don't know, like this weight just is something else. Like, whew, the back pain, you to get your hair, it's crazy. So I can't wait. I know I'm still excited. I'm ready to meet him, but he still got some time to go. At least 37 weeks, I'll feel good. And here's what Delina's wearing. She got her little short shorts. Let's show them what you wearing. Yeah, her little short shorts, a little Reeboks. Pretty. Who's that pretty girl? Who's that pretty girl? You ready to go sleep? You sleepy? Yeah, a lot of put her chain behind her neck because she just put her chain in her mouth. Okay, tell them hi. Say hi. Say hi, vlog. No? Alright, girl, come put back on your babe. Because she would dribble out a whole shot. We're getting ready to go, okay? You ready to go? Get Miss Llama. You know you're gonna be sleeping by the time we reach there. I'm gonna get so much traffic though. Like, why get so much traffic on this after 11? Like, everybody should done be to work. What is going on? This is crazy. the you pick two with chicken noodle soup. And
okay, would you like the cup or the bowl of chicken noodle?
The bowl.
Okay, a bowl of chicken noodle.
And the roasted turkey and avocado BLT.
Alright, what else can I get for you today?
That's all.
Oh, is that all?
Yeah.
Alright, it's only $13.65 at the window.
Thank you. See what I'm talking about? $13.65, right? $13.65 for some soup and half a sandwich. Expensive, but the food would be nice. Yeah. Thank you. Hello? Hello? Y'all, this phone call just threw me for a loop, and I was just here sitting in these people drive through just for a minute. Crazy.
Hello, this is Mary Marcello. Regarding your COVID-19 relief payment, and you can.
Are you reading anything else?
Oh, everything in here?
Sorry?
Everything's in here?
The you picked two?
Oh, I didn't know everything was in here. I thought I was waiting on the soup. Thank you. Yeah, I was just sitting down waiting in the drive-thru. I saw a customer like being in McDonald's for so long, and I was like, wait, they put everything in the bag? She was like, you waiting on anything else? I like, wait, everything in the bag? My brain was just someplace else just now.
There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay, then I will stay here forever. If you're meant to, then let's be the best together.
You guys, and welcome back to the vlog. Sorry for my indicator, it probably loud. Just came from getting my nails done. I'll pop a picture in so you guys can see closer. And I just here going Panera to get David some soup because he called me. He at work, so I gonna get him some soup because that's what he wanted. Clam chowder. Clam chowder? I think it's clam chowder, yeah. So heading to Panera now, and then I'm going ahead and do my toes. It's very rainy today. As you guys know, we probably got a storm coming. We are getting a storm. Well, we don't know exactly where we're going to hit, but we know we're coming in Florida Tuesday. So just been getting prepared for the storm, and it's raining right now, but I still gonna get my toes done. I'll just go today one time and done, and get it do instead of waiting for tomorrow. David's off tomorrow, but I can just go today and just get my toes do. I used to go to this place closer to my house to do my pedicures, but the first time I went, it had these two ladies there and they did it so good, but like I went back like 2 times after, and like it wasn't too good, so I went back to where I used to go, closer to where my nail tech is, so I can go there and get my toes done one time and then just to get it all the way. So after that, Panera, that's why I head in, and then I go ahead by my mom to pick up Delina, and just head home after that. So it's after 1 o'clock already. Like, oh my god, time flying so fast. So check back in with you guys. Let me safely drive on this wet road. Here at Ikea, gonna get some furnish. We're looking for an office desk for David. Yeah, so we're looking for an office desk for David. Can you guys see me? Because I can't see me, but hopefully you can see me. So hopefully we find one in here. You're looking really scruffy.
Me looking old, man.
But that's too small. That's too small? Hi, Delina. You having fun? Huh? You ignore me? You having fun? Okay, yeah, couple. So we got a desk for David. We're just waiting on him to bring the car. You hungry? So here's how this is looking. It's so cute. He has a lot of storage for his vinyls and stuff now. This is basically just the Alex drawer with the top on it. Like, you know, like all those beauty people use on YouTube to store their makeup. So it's basically just that kind of desk. So I can find some stuff to put on the wall. Like I have to redo my whole office now. This is my section, but I have to, you know, fix up some stuff, and I just moved my printer over here. So yeah, this is how our office is looking. I gotta fix up David space a little more, and then this is the cameo over here. So thank you guys so much for watching the vlog. I'll see you guys over in the next video that's gonna pop up on your screen. Head over there and check out that video if you haven't already done so. So see you over there. Take care.